Hey guys, this is a 20-minute full body cardio workout. 28 exercises across 4 sets, 30 seconds on and 10 to 30 seconds of rest in between. We are doing a range of cardio exercises and there's also low impact modifications if you need them. Let's start the workout. Touch your toe with your opposite hand, then raise both of your arms up and your heels off the mat. Then back down and repeat. Great work guys, short 10 seconds rest now and we'll move on to squat punch. Place your feet about shoulder width apart and squat down low. Then throw 4 punches, then come up and throw 4 more punches.
Heartbreak, we grew apart, I made a mistake, but I'll try to make it up to you, my darling. Ooh. Yeah, I wanna be a real one. Heaven lifts me up from under.
Short rest again and we'll move on to jack punch.
Stronger now, so I can find a way out of pain inside me. Never be afraid.
Jump both legs out and punch your fist towards the ceiling, then back down and repeat. There's no jumping modifications for those of you who want to take it slow, make adjustments and just rest whenever you need to. The goal here is to finish the workout and focus on improving over time. Great work everyone, rest and recover, step in and out is next. Take 1 step to the left and then to the right, then back in and repeat. Try to pick up the pace here. Nice work, crunch toe tap is next. Just 2 more exercises after this to end the first set. Bring one knee towards your opposite elbow, then back down, then tap your foot and repeat on the other side. Catch your breath guys, remember you can always take a longer break if you need to. Push yourself but don't hurt yourself. Knee pull is next. Extend your arms up and bring one knee towards your chest while bringing your arms down. Final rest of the first set. Shake it off and get ready for surfer high kick. Stand with your knees slightly bent, then jump and rotate 180 degrees and now kick one leg up and then repeat on the other side. Just leave out the jumps and take it slower if you need to. And that's the first set. If you need a longer break, just pause the video here. It's time for the second set. Get on your mat and get ready for push-up to mountain climbers. Get on your knees and do a push-up, then get into a high plank position and do a couple of mountain climbers and repeat. Well done guys, catch your breath, you're needed for burpee squats that's next. Get into a high plank again, then jump both legs in, then get up and do a squat, and back down and repeat. Burpees can be a struggle if you're new, so just follow the low impact modifications if you need to. Great work everyone, rest and recover and we'll move on to slams. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart and raise your arms up, then bring it down like you're slamming a ball while getting into the squat.
Let's have
10 seconds rest once more, clap jacks are next. Just 3 more exercises to end set 2. Keep pushing through guys. Clap your hands while you bring one leg out. You can speed it up and jump to make it more intense. Rest up, toe reach and front kick is coming up. Almost there guys. Reach towards your toe with one hand, then hop and kick one leg forward, then repeat.
I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight.
Nice work everyone, shake it off and we'll move on to the other side to finish off set 2.
Heroes tonight, yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight, yeah.
That's set 2 everyone, you did great. Just 2 more sets to go. Pause the video here if you need more rest or if you need to grab a small sip of water. Let's start the third set on your mat with bicycle crunches. Reach your knee with your opposite elbow, engage your core and let's pick up the pace here. Well done guys, now flip around and get ready to get into a high plank. Plank jacks are next. one leg out to the side and back in, and then the other leg to the side and back in, and now jump both legs out and in. You're doing great, guys. Stand upright and squat tap is next. Stand with your feet about shoulder width apart and squat down as low as you can without compromising your form. Then bring one leg behind you as you get up and then repeat on the other side.
You must walk on water cause I'm drowning and you made it. Met you on the corner, first in love, it was payday. Candy colored nails, match the candy coated bands. I needed your contact, my eyes bugging out my head. Cause you hot as shit, nah, just she African. Not no bottom, top notch out of here. Love me like
Rest up, jumping jacks are next. If you're able to, let's pick up the pace and burn through these next 4 exercises. You got this.
calling me. Rain like the camera.
Raise your arms up as you jump, bringing both feet out to the side, then back in and repeat.
Ain't gon' be a man to pick you up. Stay down for me. Eyes closed, arms out. Flying. Red Bull, babe, you give me wings, pilot. Girl, I love your voice. Sound like love calling it. Love called again. And I ain't miss a call yet. And I ain't miss a call yet.
Nice work, short rest, and let's keep moving with shuffle swing next. Shuffle to one side and swing your arms, then off to the other side.
All around free in a nurse circumference. When she round me, she come first and she quick. She say she feel my emotions when I just give thanks, can't believe we in the same bed. God do it best. Shout out to my angel, she a mess. Clean up when she stressed, never stressing me. Looky please, I'm the luckiest. Feel it in my chest. Treasure you, I swear.
Final 2 exercises of this set. 10 seconds rest again, and we'll move on to knee tuck hop.
The camera is free when she calling me. Ring, 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 ring.
Raise your arms up, then lift your knee towards your chest while bringing your arms down, and hop as you switch to the other side.
I ain't miss a call yet. Love called again. And I ain't miss a call yet. And I ain't miss a call yet. Love called again. And I ain't miss a call yet.
Great work, everyone. Final exercise of the set now, and we'll move into a simple jog in place.
We keep running faster and faster. I don't know where we're after, yeah. We keep up with disaster. I'm thinking that they're after me. We're running like faster and faster. We're running like
That's set 3. Pause the video here if you need a longer rest. We've come this far, so don't quit on us now. We've got one more set to go. Bring your legs out and in while engaging your core. Keep going, this is the last set. Great work, guys. Flip around into a high plank and get ready for up and down planks.
we keep running faster and faster. I don't know where we're
Start in a high plank, then lower yourself down into a low plank. Keep your core tight and try to not poke your butt up.
I'm thinking
Rest up everyone, stand upright and get ready for squat toe tap. Squat down low and try to tap your toes and get back up and raise your arms and back down and repeat. Short rest once more and we'll move on to shuffle toe tap. Not long to go to end the workout, guys. Shuffle to one side and try to reach your toes and then to the other side.
Got a ticket to nowhere. Come and fly away with me tonight. Can you stay till the morning? Can you tell me that everything's alright? Lose my mind and I'm falling for
Rest and recover, modified jacks are next.
us too. Got a ticket to nowhere. When the fighting is over, it goes on and on.
Have your knees slightly bent, then bring one leg out to the side as you raise your arms up and back down and repeat. 10 seconds rest once again and move on to butt kicks. Just 2 more exercises after this one.
You don't have to tell me you don't care. I just
Kick your leg up towards your butt and pick up the pace here.
need you to show me anything. Lose my mind and I'm falling for you. I get up on the need of us two. Got a ticket to nowhere. When the fighting is over, it goes on and on and on and on, on and on and on. It goes on and on and on and on, on and on and on.
We're almost done, guys. Rest up and lateral high knee is next.
I'm finding a way. I can never do well, but I want you by my side.
Bring your knees up towards your chest one at a time while moving towards one direction, then off to the other side.
Listen to what I say. I love you, but it's so confusing. I'm winning at the same time losing. I love you, but it's so confusing. I'm winning at the same time losing.
Final exercise of the workout. Rest up and let's finish it off with lateral walk. Push your hips back while keeping your knees bent. Now walk laterally to one side, then off to the other side.
I'm not ready for being loved. I need more time, a little more. I'm not ready for being loved. I'm walking home, I'm walking home. I've never been desperate to find someone who loves me. Yeah, I've never been that way. I have never been.
And that's the workout. Great work on reaching the end. Hope you enjoyed the burn. Be sure to check out my app if you haven't. Drop me a comment to let me know how you went, and I'll see you in the next workout. Bye!